Okay, so another way to use this product is about you being on the 15-minute time frame, and you're gonna have all these pair on your screen, whichever you like you choose, depend on the size of your account. Okay, for my account size I chose like 10 pair. So the product open pending order for me. Okay, buy and stop, buy sell pending order. But when the entry came, yeah, you know, it picked one entry at a time, then it picked one entry like buy, it cancels the sell. Okay, so I have 10 pair the first day I started using it, so I started to manage it. Okay, good. Based on the 4 hours breakout, you understand, so you will go through some kind of fluctuation in the market. Okay, among all the pair you open on your chart, you want to wait for at least the next day, or give it 2 days. Then what happened here is that you will see among all the pair that is open, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 pair that is going, that has become successful, that has broken out of a kind of major support resistance zone, and they started moving in profit. So what I did, okay, what I did, I'm not the kind of person who manage a lot of pair at a time. This product is good to help you do that, because that is the reason why it is built, to help you to pick the market, to give you the fast entry, okay, to pen the orders for you, so you don't need to think about what am I gonna open today, what am I gonna buy, what am I gonna sell. You don't need to think about that. It pens the order for you. Okay, yeah. So I look at those successful pair. All right, I look at those successful pair. Those ones that are not yet successful, is not that they will not be successful, they will become successful over time. Okay, over time they will become successful. But because I'm not the type of person who manage a lot of pair at a time, okay, I had to cut them off. I cut them off. Actually, I would have leave them. Even if I leave them, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. But that is not the purpose of what I'm doing. Right now, I cannot manage 10 pair. Then I choose only one that you see on my screen. This is the most successful one that came up. So I close all other ones. In between profit and loss, plus and minus, I close them. Then I focus on this, because right now this one, the way I see it, from the lower time frame to the monthly time frame, it's bullish. This is why I picked this from the results of 2 days. So this is the kind of tool that give you a bigger hand in the forex industry, to catch your entry fast, and to have an eyes inside the market that can help you to see, you know, to see all the pair, what is going on, which one is going to break out, so you can catch it as fast as possible and start to be in profit as fast as possible. Okay, if you cannot be in profit as fast as possible in this forex industry, then I think you should forget about your trading account. I think you're gonna be losing. Okay, and these are the problem that this tool has come to solve for you. Okay, it has come to solve this kind of problems for you. Okay, so the way I concentrate on this one right now, okay, I concentrate on this, you understand? So by the time this open up to 10 trades for me, that I have locked 10 trades in this, then I will have no choice than to go and look for, and switch on again, okay, and look for some other pairs like this. Okay, because right now all these pairs you see here, they are not yet broken out of the major support resistance. That's why they are not that successful like this one. Okay, they have not. So those type of markets you want to switch off. You don't want to care about them, because all you want to do is that you just want to discover a market that will give you profit over a long period of time, something like this. It has broken the major support resistance area from the lower time frame to the bigger time frame. But when you sit down making that kind of trade, like you have to sit down looking at the chart, trying to know which one you're gonna do, every tendency that by the time you finish doing all those analysis, this type of opportunity have passed you by. Now the tool is set to use 5% of your account size in order to discover which one is gonna move among all those choosing pairs. Yeah, some moved, some did not move. Okay, all right, but when you give them time, they move over time. Okay, so because I'm not the type of person who managed a lot of pair at a time, I had to cut them off, and I look at this one as the most successful. Now this is a bullish uptrend, and you see it has used 5% of my account to open this trade day 1, day 2 as it found it. Okay, so what I did, which I suggest you do also, okay, is that you watch your success day by day. You twin, you will get into this tool, you double click, you will increase the percentage size if you like, because even if you don't increase percentage size, this is okay. Okay, this is okay, because it will start moving at a compounding interest. It compounds your account over time. Yeah, it compounds your account over time. Okay, so you can say, okay, I will leave it to compound at the rate of 5%, just like this, or maybe I should raise it to 10%, which I am going to do today, or which I've already done. I've raised mine to 10%. So I hope this will help you. If there's any other new development, I will put the video here. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Have a nice trading days.